So the last time we were on site, we explained to you some few things about the water bars, the swimming pool. At the time, we were doing our reinforcement work. So today we've managed to do all the concrete works for the swimming pools. As you can see, we have our piping done for the swimming pool, for the inlets, for the outlets, for the backwash. So all those pipes have been provisioned on these particular swimming pools. So that will help us with the circulation of all the water from the pool into the pool and out of the pool into the filters and pump and all that stuff, and that whole circulation. So the water bar we were explaining to you earlier, right now you cannot see it, but it is working its magic, as you can see from the swimming pools. Architect Contractors Company Limited, building your vision, creating reality.